Okay, today I'm going to show you how to rebuild an LS rocker arm and put a new trunnion kit in it. This is a Brian Tooley racing trunnion kit. Here's the part number if you're interested. It's very simple. You don't need a press. You can use a vise and just some miscellaneous sockets. Find the sockets that work best for you. I utilize these flat spots whenever possible on the rocker arm. That one I already did. So put one socket against the bearing and the other socket against the rocker arm. A little bit of a juggling act, but you know, you'll get used to it. With this kit, it says to put the writing on the bearings towards the outside of the rocker arm. Not really sure why, they look the same, but I'm just going to do what it says. Just be careful not to drop the needles out of the bearing. I have mine soaking in oil right before I put them in. Okay. That just gets them in there momentarily. You want the bearing flush with the outside of the rocker arm, like that. This is a little bit of a juggling act, but okay. Just like that, flush on both sides. Now when you do that, you don't want this to be notchy or have any kind of tension or pressure on it. That should move easily. If it doesn't, just take a socket and tap on both sides like that, and it'll free it up. It's kind of like just like doing a U-joint. So then you take your snap rings, put the snap rings on the end, and you're done. Once you get in a rhythm, it's not that hard. There you have it.